Assalamualaikum. A very good morning to my dear students and welcome back to your physics class, and this is your physics teacher again from United Public School. So students, in our last class we have discussed about some plastics which are present around us and some articles of the articles of plastic which is made up of plastics. So actually what is plastic, students? Plastics is also a polymer like many other synthetic fibers we have studied so far. So in our last classes we have studied about synthetic fibers, the nylon, the rayon, the acrylic, right? So that are also polymers only. That's synthetic fibers are also polymers. So like that, in the similar manner, this plastic is also a polymer. What is polymer? The monomer together form a polymer. Remember the monomer, they together form a polymer. So this plastic are also a polymer, but the monomer in plastics can be arranged in two forms. So but in synthetic form, what they do, the monomer like this they arrange. But what happened in plastics, the arrangement of the monomer in plastics are in two form, that is some are in linear chain and some are in cross-linked chain, as you can see in this picture. So this is linear chain, in the sense straight chain, okay? Linear chain in the sense straight, okay? This is straight chain arrangement of monomer, and this is cross-link arrangement of monomer. As you can see, cross-link in the sense they are interlinked, they are interconnected with each other. This linear is only straight form, but this is cross-link, interlinked, interconnected form, interconnected arrangement. So these two forms of arrangement is present in plastic, which means plastic are of two types, right? Clear? Yeah. So we have plastics are available in different shapes and sizes. So plastic can be, yes, it can be available in different shapes and sizes, and we can produce the plastic, as plastic is man-made, so we can give them different shape according to our need, okay? So they have a wide variety of uses of this plastic. Wide variety in the sense many different varieties of uses we can use in the plastic. So we also observed that the many different codes are also code numbers are mentioned in activity 6. As you have remembered this activity 6, we have different types of codes to this plastics we have given, right? And in the day-to-day life we use many different wide varieties of plastics, like toothbrush handle, like comb, the plastic blades and plastic bottles, tiffin boxes, and the body of refrigerator, and water purify body, and the, yes, TV body also is also made up of plastic. So the list of this plastic would be endless if we continue to tell about it. So it is endless. So students, my question is, so are all the articles which is shown here, so they are all made up of plastics? Yes, they all are made up of plastics, but they are different from each other. How this plastic is different from each other, and how it is possible that the plastic is there but different type of plastic? Well, how it is possible? Yes, well, it is possible. It is possible because plastics comes from various forms. The plastic will comes in different form, the various forms. So what is meant by this various form? To understand, we have to draw a two diagram. Here is our two diagrams, two figures. As you can see, here we have an different arrangement, and here we have an different arrangement, as I said in over here. So what is the difference between these two figures? Yes, this is the arrangement over in this figure is linear, okay? This arrangement is linear, and this arrangement is cross-linked. They are interlinked with each other. These two are in different form. So as we know, plastic is a polymer, and many monomer units together form a polymer, and the many monomer units in the plastics are arranged in different patterns, okay? These different patterns they arrange in plastics. So what are the different patterns? Yes, the different pattern is this only, the linear function and the cross-linked function. These different arrangement are different patterns over here. The monomers are These monomers are arranged in different patterns in linear forms and in cross-linked form. These two types of different patterns are arranged in the plastics. So actually the plastics are of two types. They are the plastics of type. There are two types. First is thermoplastics and the thermosetting plastics. Okay, we have two types of plastics. Here we have an example of those two plastics, the thermoplastic and the thermosetting plastic. So here we have an example of a frying pan, and here we have a normal common plastic bottle. So what happened when we heat these both? So here we are heating these two plastic articles. So what happened when you heat this? After heating, this common bottle will melt up in no time. They will melt it very quickly. No time in the sense very quickly. This bottle will melt. And what happened to this frying pan? The frying pan just get heated up. It won't change its shape. Okay, in physical, the physical shape of this handle of the pan won't change, but here it changing the physical shape. It will be melted. Okay. So why this happening different forms while these both are plastic, but what happening in why it is not melting and why it is melting, why it is not melting? Because there are different types of plastics. As I said, they have different types of plastics. So these two are different types of plastics. So the first one, the handle of the pan is won't change its physical state, so it is thermosetting plastics, while the second one is thermoplastic with its melting, right? So it is thermoplastic. So as I said the difference between these two plastic, but actually what is the definition of those two? Here, the plastic which get deformed easily and heat and cannot be bent or known as thermoplastic. So this is our thermoplastic. It won't get deformed, मतलब ये shape change नहीं करता. It will be bend. It is bending, right? So it will be, by getting heat, it just bend. That is known as thermoplastic. So thermoplastics are here some of the examples of thermoplastic that it helps used in manufacturing toys, combs and various types of containers. Okay, and some of the thermoplastics are polythene and PVC, right? And they are another form of plastic, that is thermosetting plastic. Okay, what is the thermosetting plastics? The plastic which molted once can't be softened by heating. So after molting, in the sense changing the shape of the plastic, and we are producing and forming a different shape to that plastic. After doing that, they won't get softened. They won't get soft by heating. Okay, so they are the thermosetting plastics. Here we have two types of thermosetting plastic, that is Bakelite and melamine are the examples of this type. And now you can tell whether the PP is thermosetting plastics or the thermoplastic, right? So as I said, thermosetting plastic is do not melted by the heat, and we have a common example of that is melamine and bakelite. Okay, so actually what is melamine and bakelite used in? This melamine is known withstand heat, so it uses in making the tiles, the floors and the pan utensils, in the holder of the utensils, whereas this bakelite it used in holding of the utensil of like spoon in kitchen, and it also used in switch boxes, because as it is poor conductor of heat and electricity. This bakelite plastic is contain a poor conductor of electricity. By this, electricity won't pass out. Okay, so these are the examples of the melamine and the bakelite. So that was the thermosetting example, and here we have thermoplastic example, that is thermoplastic is molted, it won't get melted, or it will get melted, right? So here while applying heat, it will get melted and it will deform that. Okay, it will give definite shape, it will transfer the shape into another form. Okay, So what are the another examples of this? So yes, as I said, it also have an polythene and PVC over here. So the polythene and PVC are another examples of this thermoplastic. That is the polythene in the sense, yes, the polythene bags and the tapes. Okay, these are also made up of polythene. And we have another PVC, which means polyvinyl chloride. So what is polyvinyl chloride? Here it is an acid like. Okay, so this PVC are also come in two forms, that is the hard or the rigid polyvinyl chloride or the soft PVC. So this hard rigid polyvinyl chloride helps in making hard substances like pipes in the houses, right? And it also helps in soft PVC helps in making common water bottles. Okay, so these are the examples of thermoplastics. So these are the quiet introduction of the thermoplastics and thermosetting plastics. In later class we will discuss in briefly about the thermoplastic and thermosetting plastic. Okay, right? Thank you, students. Students, your today's homework was write these multiple choice question in your textbook, in your notes. Okay, in your textbook, if you have textbook, then complete this blanks and write this, complete this 5 answers. It is present in page number 50. Okay, complete this in your textbook. If you won't have textbook, then write in your notes. Okay, thank you, students. Have a nice day.